Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures here on YouTube. I got a package in the mail from the Rock.Hound.Adventures over on TikTok. He sent me some slabs of some lightning stone, I think is what it is called. So we're gonna unbox it, check it out. And he told me to make sure to have water, so I have a little thing of water right here just to help get the stones wet. And we are going to check out and see what all he sent. Okay, get that one opened up. That one's opened up. This one's already pretty much open. Okay, so we're going to, I guess, look at this one, this package right here first. And just kind of pick it out because it looks like it busted up kind of pretty good. I'm gonna have to vacuum my table after this. There's so much dust. Ooh, at least that slab somewhat survived. Okay, so I think all of this is from Michigan. I think is where he's from. And he has a lot of really cool videos over on TikTok, so I will make sure his link for his TikTok account is in the description of this video. And he also started a YouTube channel, and I will link that as well. So just make sure to go and follow him on his YouTube channel, and then if you have TikTok, do that as well. Okay, that is everything. So we're gonna move this over to this side, and then look at each piece individually. That's really pretty. The stuff he was cutting was amazing. Whenever he said he was gonna send me a package over on TikTok. I've never polished any of this before, so this will be a first time to do in the near future. Look at that. I love those brown tones. And in a minute, we'll look at this underneath the black light too. He said it does glow, so. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Oh, can I stop? That's so cool. Looks like this is a chunker. These remind me so much of sepulcharian nodules. Yeah, it's so cool. So pretty. Sorry I'm so quiet. I'm just admiring the beauty of the stone. I really like these ones with these really fine lines going through there. Just looks so cool. Ooh, this one's even cooler. I like that black with the brown in the center. It's It's almost like it's spelling the word Jax. J-A-X. That's cool. And this side's even prettier. There's another J and an A. Okay. Oops, I spilled the water. Ooh, that's so pretty. Can't stop saying it. That's so beautiful. Okay, the last one is a large slab. Ooh, this side's cool too. It's all cool. Look at this. So here's this slab. Look at that pink in there, or orange. It's like a little burst. That's cool. That's wicked. There's some more right there in that calcite. That is an epic piece. That's cool. Okay, let me turn off the flash and turn off my lights, and we're gonna bust out the UV Beast 365 Mini and check out see what these look like under that. Okay, I'm moving it all in front of the screen as we speak. And like I said, we're using the UV Beast Mini. The normal size flashlight is the batteries are charging. So 2 clicks on. Ooh, look at that. That's so wicked. So cool. I would love to like go out and find some of this with the black lights. Look at that. Hold on, let me try. Let's see if this one works. But the UV Beast just, I was just trying out another brand flashlight, but you could see too much, there was too much light pollution because it doesn't have a filter, but this one is the UV Beast. It's so beautiful, so cool. And there's that side. There's that one. Here's that chunker. Here's the large slab. And then this side. I think this light is almost dead too, because normally you should be able to see the whole stone with this light. But this is good enough. So where those like orange dots are, those little bursts, they're black under the black light, so that's kind of interesting. There's that one. I wonder if these have an afterglow phosphorescent effect. Nope. They do not. That's too cool. I really appreciate you sending me a small bag of these. Okay, so now it is my turn to fulfill the rock trade and get together some slabs of some material that I've found from Utah, Colorado, Texas, and send him some cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, let me know which is your favorite piece, or if you have ideas on what I should do with this. Let me know down in the comments, and make sure to go over to his TikTok account if you use TikTok. Follow him, and also his YouTube channel. Both of the links will be in the description of this video. And before we head out, I just kind of want to show you this back row right here. These are my available pendants. If anyone is interested, just let me know down in the comments which one it is, and we can message back and forth. And yeah, so this one right here is Chicken Shack Picture Jasper, wrapped in sterling silver and copper. That's $3.95. All of these have free shipping. This is Serpent Stone, wrapped in sterling silver, from Utah. This is Moss Agate from either Oregon or Washington in sterling silver. Those last two are 200, or this one is 200, and then the Serpent Stone is 220. This is Central Texas Pink Granite. Same material that the Texas Capitol is made from. This one is $195. That one's on hold. This is the one I just finished. It's Chinese Fighting Blood Agate, and this one is, I think, $240. And this is a Labradorite cabochon. I think this one is on hold currently. And then the last two, this is Central Texas Pink Granite in copper and sterling silver, and this one is $95. And this one is Laguna Lace Agate, wrapped in copper wire, and this one is $80. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in, checking out the beautiful lightning stone that the Rock.Hounding.Adventures over on TikTok sent me. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.